Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay and today's video is an unboxing. This one is Look Fantastic. So if you don't know what Look Fantastic is, I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will leave all the details in the description box down below for you to check out at your leisure. And if you already know everything there is to know about this beauty box, then I will leave a timestamp down below in the comments so that you can just skip ahead to the contents if you want to. So Look Fantastic is an online beauty retailer. They sell most things beauty related, makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty tools, all that kind of stuff. And they also do a monthly beauty subscription box. So the box costs £15 a month on a 1 month rolling subscription plan, but if you take out a longer subscription then the cost of that box actually comes down. So for instance, I've taken out a 12-month subscription with them and my boxes cost me £13 a month. You get 6 beauty products within the box every month. They're usually quite decent sizes. They're usually at the very least deluxe minis, if not full size. I'm going to open this box now, get into it, see what we've got, and you can see if it's something that you're interested in taking out for yourself. So I'm loving the box this month. So I think this is probably in honour of National Women's Month or National Women's Day. So on the inside of the lid we've got a little quote or sort of positive comment, and this month it says, "In a world where you can be anything, be yourself." So I think that's quite a good mantra to live by. And you also get a little booklet with the box. In this booklet there's usually a little note in the front that tells you about the edit itself, what the whole theme of the month is based around. There's all the information about the products inside, so it tells you the RRPs, what the products are, and ways in which that you can use them. There's usually a couple of little articles in here as well, usually about the brands included or about some of the products. So it's quite a nice handy little accompaniment to the box, and we're going to be referring to this as we go through each item. As I said, there's a little note about the edit on the front page, so we'll just read that now. And this is the Unconstricted edit. So it says, "This March, feel empowered, inspired and confident with our Unconstricted Edition beauty box, filled with 6 expertly curated products to help you feel the best version of yourself. In this month's beauty box edit, we're focusing on collaboration and inclusion in all forms. From inspiring quotes from some of the biggest names in the beauty world to product recommendations from some well-known beauty box lovers. Plus, with International Women's Day taking place on the 8th of March, we are encouraging our subscribers to feel strong and united. Standing together, we can achieve so much more." I quite like that. That's very inspiring and promoting empowerment. I quite like that. On the back of the booklet there is usually a sneak peek for an item in next month's box, and this month is no exception. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, then skip ahead. Again, I will leave a timestamp in the comments down below so that you can just skip past this next part, and I'll see you on the other side if that's the case. So the sneak peek for April is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics product. It's the Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. So that's what we're going to be getting in April. Do I need another neutral palette? Probably not, but apparently it's worth £28.99 with 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside. The Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette, exclusively launched with the Look Fantastic beauty box. Oh, that's interesting. Is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. Weightless, super blendable and the perfect size for travelling with a handy mirror inside. That's really cool. They're launching it with the box, so nobody's going to have this unless they've got this box to start with. So that's quite nice. Quite intrigued to see what it looks like now. So yep, so that's the sneak peek, and let's get into the items. We're all wrapped up in tissue paper, sealed together with a little sticker. I'm just going to rip that open. And that is what we look like. You can see all the contents in there. And okay, I'm gonna take out the first thing because I already know I'm not that keen. So this is the Hairburst chewable hair vitamins. Apparently there's 30 pastels in there. That's quite a decent amount. 15-day supply. Strawberry and blackcurrant flavoured vitamins and minerals. It's a food supplement containing biotin, selenium and zinc. Got hair. That's beautiful. This isn't a product that I'm very interested in. I do already take a vitamin supplement as it is, and I do have to be careful about the kind of supplements that I take because of the medication that I'm on for my hypothyroidism. I'll look into it, I'll see whether I can take them or not, but in spite of that, I'm probably going to just see if I can find somebody that wants these because I already take vitamins anyway. I don't need extras. So let's just see what the booklet says about it though. These are worth £12.49. Start your journey to healthy, luscious locks with these Hairburst hair care vitamins, which combat effects of heat styling, colouring and ageing. Taken regularly, research shows that 98% of users noticed faster hair growth. Take 2 capsules per day for best results, ideally both together in the morning before eating. Okay, so a couple of things I'm thinking here. The tablets I have to take in the morning before eating without taking anything else first. So that's not happening. And the other thing is, whenever a product write-up mentions research, I always want to know more about that research. I always want to know how many people made up that 100% that 98% of decided that they thought it worked. Was it 10? Was it 1,000? It kind of makes a difference. So not sure I really believe the claims, and like I said, it's not something that I'm going to take anyway, so it's kind of a moot point. If somebody else wants to try them, then they're going to be very happy with me. Okay, so the next product, oh, hello. Ooh. Okay, so I'm noticing there's an extra item in here. I don't know whether we've got a freebie, but there seems to be another 6 items in this box. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is this. Now this is something that I'm definitely interested in. So it's Rituals, the Ritual of Ayurveda, and it's a nurturing shower oil, Indian rose and sweet almond oil. I love this fragrance. I've had a hand cream, I've had an oil, I think I've got a shower gel maybe, I'm not sure. I know I've got 3 different things, but I love the fragrance of this, so this is definitely something I'm going to use. Shower oil, brilliant, happy with that. Let's just see what the book says though. The oil is worth £4.90. Indian rose and sweet almond oil are at the base of this Ritual shower oil, which will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. Pour a few drops into your palm and massage all over the body in circular motions. Upon contact with water, this oil changes into a luxurious foam, leaving you feeling clean, refreshed and smelling delicious. That sounds really nice. I'm quite excited to use that. That's going to go straight into my bathroom, so really happy with that one. Kind of makes up for the chewable hair vitamin things all on its own, so yay. Next we've got, oh, this was the sneak peek from last month's booklet actually, so come on, it's the Madara Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. Cellular Biocomplex Physio Moisturisers, it says on the bottom there, whatever that means. Okay, so this is worth £35. This eye cream targets signs of tiredness and ageing, as well as tackling fine lines and wrinkles. Its smoothing formula hydrates the eye area to reveal younger, more radiant looking skin. Apply morning and night around the eye area to freshly cleansed skin. So, yeah, eye cream. Quite useful. I am coming to the end of the one that I'm using at the moment, which I actually really like. So maybe this will sort of fill that gap for me. Maybe, you never know. But yeah, keen to try that. Happy to have it. Next we've got Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's quite popular. I think we had a few Bella Pierre things sort of throughout the year last year and look fantastic. But this is the Kiss Proof Lip Cream, and can I find the shade? And it's in the shade Incognito. It's just on the bottom there in tiny writing that I struggle to find. Looks like a nice colour. It's kind of a pinky nudie sort of colour by the looks of things. I'm not going to open this actually. I've got a lot of lipstick things sort of already open at the moment, so I don't want another one open. But let's just see what the book says. Mystery solved. This isn't listed in the book, so this is an added freebie. I'm not sure how much these normally cost, but I've got a funny feeling they're about £23, something like that. I've got that figure in my head, I'm not sure why. If I can find out, I'll put it on the screen for you, but it's an extra, so from what I can tell it doesn't add to the value of the box at all, so that's cool. Quite happy with that. Yeah. Next we've got a Grow Gorgeous product. So this is the Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. So sounds quite interesting. I quite like strengthening, conditioning kind of hair products. My hair isn't really problematic, but I do like to give it a good condition once in a while, and anything that repairs is quite nice. I did go through a period last year where my hair actually started falling out a bit, so it did get a bit weak and brittle, and that was, well, yeah, probably stress related. That's a whole other story. But yeah, so I have been trying the last few months to sort of get it back into shape. So that'll be nice to try. Let's see what the book says. So this is worth £3.75. Get visibly thicker and more nourished hair with this unique mask from Grow Gorgeous. Formulated with caffeine to stimulate your roots, oat lipids to lock in moisture, and hyaluronic acids for that silky soft finish. Apply to damp hair, massaging the product into your scalp and smoothing through the lengths of your hair. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So yeah, it's exactly the kind of product that I thought it was going to be. Works exactly the way I thought it might. So happy to try that. Happy to have it in the box. So next we've got this tiny little thing, which is a bit confusing because I'm pretty sure I've had one of these as a sample before. So this is the Elizabeth Arden Super Start Skin Renewal Booster. And this is definitely a sample size. I've definitely had one of these as a sample before. Let's just see what is going on here. So this 5ml little tube, they valued at £7.50. Designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew, this Elizabeth Arden Skin Booster is the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Its fusion of super ingredients have resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. Apply just one pump onto a freshly cleansed face before applying serum or moisturiser. I'm a bit confused as to why that is listed as a product when it's clearly a sample size, and this is clearly a full size product and not listed at all. I think someone may have been having a bit of a moment at Look Fantastic headquarters. Personal opinion, obviously, but that's a little bit odd. On the other hand, we do have a full-size product that isn't listed as part of the box value, so am I really that salty about this? In reality, I don't think I can be, but it is a bit weird. Last but not least, we have this from Rodial, and it is the bee venom, which sounds a little bit worrying. So, oh, it's a cleansing balm. Okay. Slightly less worried about it now. Balm to toner brightening formula with melatonin peptide, jojoba oil and vitamin C and E. That sounds quite interesting. I'm always interested in trying cleansing balms. You never know when one's going to work better than the one you're currently using. So, yeah. This is worth £13 and it says, take your facial cleansing routine to the next level with this luxurious skin brightening cleansing balm from Rodial. Formulated with bee venom, an anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines and decongests your skin of any dirt and impurities. Massage a coin-sized amount onto a dry face, then splash with a small amount of warm water to emulsify and allow the balm to transform into a milky cleanser. Rinse. So yeah, so I like these kind of balms. Definitely keen to try this one. There you go. And that is everything from the box. So just a quick recap then. We've got the hair vitamins. We've got the eye cream. We've got the Grow Gorgeous hair mask. We've got the Rituals of Ayurveda shower oil. We've got the Bella Pierre lipstick. We've got the Elizabeth Arden skin renewal booster. And we've got the Rodial bee venom cleansing balm. So overall, I have mixed feelings about this box. Obviously there's one product in here that I'm just not interested in at all. As soon as I saw it I was like, meh, not for me, and that's the hair vitamins. So that's a bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. You can't pick and choose what's in a subscription box, so you're not going to be happy with every single product all of the time. So I'm okay that there's one product that I'm definitely not interested in trying, because the rest of the products I know I'm going to get some use out of at some point, so that's really nice. Also, we do have that extra product with the lipstick, so that's a good thing. So hair vitamins, not great. Extra lipstick, great. However, it's just this just bugs me a little bit. It really just, why? I don't understand why. I just don't get it. But as I said, I'm going to use them. I'm going to use the rest of the products that are in here. So I do actually like this box. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think this box is good value for money? Is this something that you're interested in picking up? What do you think about the whole sample size and full size lipstick thing that's going on here? But yeah, just let me know. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. So that's everything then, guys. So as always, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all again in another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.